Hi, my name is Susan Traxel, and I am the Public Information Officer for Lincoln County Public Health. This is our weekly video update for Friday, August 28, 2020. As of today, Lincoln County has 463 cases of COVID-19, which includes confirmed positive tests and presumptive cases. There have been 7,607 negative tests, 22 hospitalized, and 13 deaths. On Monday, the Lincoln County Board of Commissioners voted to extend the 24-hour holdback on lodging before it could be cleaned and rented again until September 29th. This applies only to lodging that is outside of the city limits. The city of Newport has a 3-hour hold in place, and Yachats has a 1-hour hold. Lincoln City is holding a special city council meeting on Wednesday, September 2nd to discuss whether or not to implement a 24-hour hold there. The reason for these holds is because it is a public health priority to keep our essential workers safe. Also on Monday, we announced an outbreak at the Inn at Spanish Head. Outbreaks are announced when 5 staff test positive and there are at least 30 employees. On Tuesday, Lincoln County Public Health announced the deaths of 2 more people at Hillside. They had tested positive for the novel coronavirus. The assisted living facility continues to test for the virus weekly. Currently, there have been 10 residents and 8 staff that have tested positive, and 4 residents who have died with COVID-19. Governor Brown has warned of mandatory restrictions if there is not better compliance on COVID-19 guidelines. One of these guidelines involves gatherings. The current order states that all indoor social get-togethers are limited to 10 people. Because Lincoln County is in Phase 1, all indoor or outdoor cultural, civic, and faith gatherings are capped at 50 people with physical distancing. In Lincoln County, public health is seeing evidence that these orders are not being followed. Yesterday, OHA updated the public health indicators. Lincoln County is currently meeting 5 out of the 6 metrics. The metric we are currently not meeting is the percent of cases not traced to a known source in the last 7 days. This should be 30% or less, and we are at 31%. This is very good news for Lincoln County, and we need to keep our efforts at limiting the spread of COVID-19. Every decision you make to reduce the risk of exposure to the coronavirus helps. For example, deciding to eat outside with friends instead of inside helps. Deciding to go to fewer gatherings helps. Deciding to wash your hands after every trip outside your home helps. We do not live in a bubble, so every little bit we can do individually adds to our safety and the safety of others. Thank you for all the little things you do each day to make our community safer. Next week's public health indicators report will have an impact on whether we can move into Phase 2 on September 8th. Phase 2 will allow for wider reopening of venues like movie theaters, bowling alleys, pools, and recreational sports. Even if we go into Phase 2 as scheduled, those little things we've been doing all along can help us keep Lincoln County open. For more information on what Phase 2 looks like, see the link in the description of this video for more details. To get these updates and more in your email inbox each week, sign up for Lincoln Alerts. If you have any questions related to COVID-19, you can also contact our call center at 541-265-0621 or email LincolnCoCallCenter at co.lincoln.or.us. Thank you for maintaining physical distance, protecting others with the mask, and washing your hands to keep Lincoln County open.